Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 9th. Today we are going to understand the fourth learning outcome of Open Impress application for class 9th. In this we will understand formatting text and apply animation, in which the following points are covered. That is formatting toolbar. It means to say we will understand what is formatting toolbar. Then various formatting features, text alignment, bullet and numbering. Okay, so let's begin with the theoretical part first. As you can see student, this particular diagram you can see this is known as format toolbar. Okay, in this format toolbar it will available under the format menu, then inside that text option. So you can see that font name, it allow you to increase the font size. Okay, I mean to say select the font particular face, okay, like Arial Black, okay, Luticana, Comic New MS, etc. Font size, it increase and decrease the size. Font increase, it allow you to increase the size of the font only. Decrease the font, it also allow you to decrease the size, same as the increase the font. Bold, it will give you the bold look to the particular word or the character. Italic, it will give you the italic, I mean to say some kind of diagonal angle it will show you on the text. Underline, it will show you underline, a particular line will draw after a word, I am say just bottom of the word. Okay, strike, it will look like a rough work. Font color will be changed of the writing text. Left alignment, center alignment, right and justified. So student, we are going to do it practically. So what to do? I am going to open a particular OpenOffice Impress application. Okay, inside that I will select the earlier one created slide. So I will just go to open option and then click on duplicate slide as I developed, I am to say created earlier time. So you can see this particular look you will see. Okay, so what I will do student, I will click on normal view, because earlier video I have teach you how to access the different workspaces, in which one notebook also, or I am to say note one also. So now we are going to change some font student. So here you can see student, this particular style also is one of the particular shortcut for that one. So suppose that if I am going to select this one thing, okay, I have selected this. Now you can see this property has been open here. Okay, or you can go to the format and then you can see that character, okay, line, area, text. Okay, or you can just go to view option. Okay, and inside that format you can see number of options are there. So here you can change the particular writing style. As you can see, writing style has been changed. Okay, so like Arial simple style, like this one old style. Okay, so there are number of the font faces are there. Okay, including Hindi also. If you know Hindi language, you can write Hindi also. Okay, so here as you will select the particular code, the font will automatically open, that is Luticana Bright. If I'll select this, now you can see that. And now this is size. So if you will increase the size, now you can see size will be increased. Okay, and if you will decrease the size will also decrease. Okay student, now it is bold, that is shortcut Control B, Control I for italic, U for underline. Okay student, it is already in bold letter. So we will see the another one of font. Now you can see student, if I'll click on this one, okay, let's understand it. So here bold letter, okay, underline, italic, and here is strike through student. So now you can see strike through look like this. As you select it again, the particular functionality of the format toolbar will automatically open. Okay, now you can increase the size like this. From here also you can increase size or decrease the size of the font also. Now we are talking about this particular function, that is font face and this font color. So you can select any of the color that you like. As you can see, color is changed. Okay, so if you are selecting it again, okay, now you can see this option will appear in front of you again. Now you will select one of the color that you like. Now you can see color has been changed. So student, we have learned how to use the particular formatting toolbar. Under this, the number of the option is given and explained here. Okay, the shortcut key for increasing the size for font is Control, that is square bracket close, and shortcut for decreasing the size of the font is Control plus square bracket open. Shortcut for bold, Control plus B. Shortcut for italic, Control plus I, underline, control plus U, strike through. There is no shortcut, only this one thing. Now we are going to understand superscript and subscript, student. Superscript and subscript is one of the facility which help us to mention a chemical formula of the water or mathematical formula like a square plus b square. Okay, same time situation we face in particular OpenImpress also. To overcome the problem, there is superscript and subscript are the best option for that. So what we are going to do, student, we are going to create a formula of H2O. So student, what I am going to do, I am going to create a new particular text. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will change the particular slide, and here if I am just going to write H2O, okay, it looks like a simple now a square. Now you can see it is not looks like a square or H2O. What I will do, now you have to select this particular two number, student. Then after that you have to click on this particular character. Now you can see the position tab will be open in front of you. You have to just go to the position option. If it is in the particular base, so you have to select the subscript. Okay, it looks like H2O format. Now you can see it is looks in a HTML format. If I am going to just increase its size, so you can see the H2O is formed now. That is looks like a water chemical formula of water. Now we are going to do the square. So you have to just select this two, and then after that you have to go to character option. You have to select the position and then superscript, and then press OK. Now you can see this has come as a form of the what thing, power formula of a square. Okay, so by this we have learned how to use superscript and subscript. Okay, now we have to understand, okay, the next one thing, bullet and numbering. Okay, so you can see, student, there are number of the bullets are here, like order bullet, I would say order list, unordered list, according to that, numbered list and unnumbered list. So according to that, do that, we are going to do one thing, student. Suppose that I have created this particular two lines. Okay, so what we are going to do, you have to just click on this particular list and bullet. Okay, now student, what we have to do, we have to go to this option, student, like bullets on offer. Okay, when you click on bullet on, you can see this bullet has been come. As you will come to the end of the line, you have to press enter button and drag space. It will form the again the bullet list. Suppose that next line, now you can see this last line. Okay, student, so here by this option we understand how to create the bullet list. If I am going to just change the particular bullet type, so what I am going to do, I have to click on this bullet and numbering option. You can see this tab will open in front of you. If I am going to select this one and press OK, now you can see this particular bullet has been changed. If I am going to select all bullet style, so you have to just again click on it and then press this one. Now you can see this particular bullet has been changed. Okay, and if I am going to just change another style, so you have to click on this one thing and click on graphic option. Now you can see graphic will allow you to use your own design graphic or predefined graphic as a bullet. So I am going to select this one thing. Now you can see this particular graphic has been come. Okay, student, so now we have understand, student, how to use a bulleted list and how to use the unbulleted list. Okay, student, so suppose that if I am going to use another one list, okay, that is numbered list, I have to select all student first like this, drag selection, and then I have to select this one and go to numbering type. So if I am going to need this one option, so you have to just click on thing. You can see 1 2 3 4, again this option, bullet numbering option, Roman 1 2 3 in a capital letter, here Roman in small letter, okay, and here is ABC, okay, within round bracket, or you can customize it also. Okay, with the help of this customization, you can say that number will be in a particular AA. Okay, I am to say this one thing, before it will look like this and after this will look like this. Okay, angle bracket, and color, suppose that by default is gray 9 color. So now you can see number has been changed. Now we have understand, student, how to use the bullet and numbering also. Till then, thank you and have